Hello, Will. This is Jack Crane with my final submission for networking. Just gonna go through the list real quick and try and cover everything because it's pretty close to submission time. And unfortunately, I had some problems setting up OBS. I was having trouble displaying the entire screen, so I'm gonna try and display the server side and see if I can get um, most of it in. So we're just gonna start from the beginning, entering into the lobby. So this is my host, currently hosting. To enter into the server side. Just a second. Oh, I opened up another instance of the host. Like an idiot. I apologize. Client. So it'll launch the client side of the machine. Fill in the local IP, should just be the local host for this purpose, and enter and press J to join. Attempting to join, I'm connected to the server. Now if I go back to my server side and click enter, I should be inside the server. Now play a complete game. Try and do this as fast as possible. But, as you can see, my bullets are working. I'm able to kill and create score, as well as reset the player on death. You do this as fast as possible. So I've beat the first round, and my round is updated. And the collisions are processing because, as you can see, every single time the player dies, the connection or the position at which he died at is being reset every time, as opposed to if I were to just only kill him on one side, the missile would still register the collision that he was there on the other server. And I'll try and get some examples on the other server in a second. I just want to make sure which was the mine button. There we go. Replace mines. And I can also move the other player and place mines this way as well. I should die if I collide with those. Oh, the noise is so annoying. Sorry, I'm just kind of rushing to get this in. If I come into contact with the missiles before they explode, nothing happens. Sorry, trying to get these to interact. It's fairly annoying. See if I can run into it here. Yeah, and player 1 wins, and unfortunately I do not go back to the lobby upon death. I just exit the game. Yeah, so I should be able to start another game, and this time I'll try and show the client side. I have to add another window capture. I'm sorry this is taking so long. Okay, now this here should be my client side as well. Oh no. I'm running out of time. It's 10:50. I guess I'll just skip it. Hopefully you understand that both sides work, and if you test it for yourself, you will be able to see that both sides work. Unfortunately, it's already 10:50, and I can't figure out how to record both sides of the window. So I'll just move on to the code. Like I said, every aspect of this should be working. Collision on both sides is working. Sending input messages from the server to client, or from the client to server, is working, and back. The client sends the input messages to the server to be received, and then tell the client that it is okay to make that move. The server handles pretty much everything else, sending it to the client through these data messages. Stuff for a player update, stuff for on hits, for when the fence hits, or when the missile or player or mine gets hit. All these messages are sent through the data. This is probably what I'm most proud of, just because it's what I understood the best. I understood this process the best because once I got it the first time, it was pretty much the same for everything. Afterwards, luckily you were able to help us a lot with the lobby and networking stuff, so it wasn't as hard as I had thought it would be originally. Yeah, so I think that covers most of it. Hopefully that was enough for you. I know I extended this a little too much, but like I said, it's 10:53, and I'm just trying to get this in before any problems occur. So thank you very much, and thank you for the class.